Welcome back to the Dram Diaries. We have another double Dram blind. Ooh. I just get sweet.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Sweet and lightly spiced.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's decent.
Yeah.
It's got a little proof on it. It smells like it anyways.
Woohoo. B, you can tell, has some proof on it for sure.
This is like a darker version of that.
That's nice. Okay, for me, I think I'm going to sip A first.
Me
because,
too. Yeah, I prefer the nose on B.
Me too.
Okay. That's very sweet.
That's really sweet. It's warming too. It's nice. It's nice.
It's got some proof, man. You can feel the punch, man. That's super sweet though. Like loads of syrupy sweetness. I don't know how to describe it other than just like it's almost like sugary syrup, like simple syrup, but punched up.
Yeah.
Angry simple syrup. Don't you love it? Okay. B.
Yeah. Woo! That is the darker version of that, because this is very syrupy too.
It is.
Yeah.
It's just, and get a little more, like oak spice on the finish.
Okay.
But it is. It's like a darker version of that. Like,
neither
one of these tastes like overly complex.
No.
Or even complex at all.
No.
They're just sweet and proofy. I don't know. What? I know which one is my first place.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah? Which one's your first?
B.
Mine too.
Yeah.
Why is that?
It just has more to it than A.
Yeah.
If I'm going to drink something that syrupy, I need some kind of something. And, you know, they're both really sugary, very syrupy. B at least comes in with like a little bit of browned butter with the brown sugar.
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't, it's not doing anything spectacular, but it's got something. A is just really too sweet.
Yeah.
Too light.
What would you pay for these things?
I wouldn't want to pay over $45 for either one of them.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Yeah.
Honestly. I would, this should cost maybe $40.
Yeah.
And this should be, $45, I guess. Yeah. All right. So A was our last place.
Yeah.
You got A. Let's see, what is that?
Okay. A is E.H. Taylor Barrel Proof Batch 10.
No.
$78, 127.3 proof.
What? So secondary, I looked it up on the 390 is when I poured these. Kyle, thank you. Oh my goodness. Well, folks.
Okay.
There you go. All right. So B is Stagg 22A, 132.2 proof. $50 is what I paid. I think you could probably get this around 180 to 200. Wow.
Okay.
That makes sense. They're the exact same mash bill.
Oh, okay.
Same distillery, both barrel proof. Yeah. Well, you know, I paid 50. I'd said I'd want to pay 45.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That is crazy because I do like Stagg, but there you go, folks. Don't believe the hype. Well, you can believe the hype. It's good stuff. Don't overpay for it. My goodness. Take a look at some of our Stagg blend videos, and I'm going to have some coming out for E.H. Taylor's and Old Rip and Winkles and stuff soon-ish. Okay. Well, I don't know what to say. That was uninspiring. All right. What do you think? Which one's better for you? Wow. Okay. Anyways. Well. Till next time. I can't believe how uninspiring that was.
Oh my goodness.